How to add custom liquid in Shopify 2023 step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another really fun and informational Shopify video. And in this video, we're going to be discussing in great depth and detail on how you can use custom liquid in Shopify and you can use it to, your benefits, and you can use it to its fullest features. And I'm going to be describing it in the easiest, most simplest way to use. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to learn the whole depth about all of this. So yeah, and it's going to be really fun. Obviously, custom liquid, as we all know, is coding, and you don't need to be like afraid that, oh, it's coding. How does coding work? What should I do? I don't have a coding background, etc., etc. You don't need to worry yourself with those concerns because I'm going to be walking you through everything, and you don't need any coding background. You don't need any HTML or CSS background because it's just doesn't really matter if you do or don't. So, to start things off, obviously, what you're going to want to do is you're going to have a fully set it up Shopify store. Okay. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to log in to my main Shopify store. Okay. So we're going to come here. I'm going to go ahead, log in real quick. And once you click on login, obviously it's going to take you to your store. Now, do you know this, that obviously custom liquid, it works best when your store is like fully optional and fully set it up. So please do make sure that is the case because custom liquid is used for things that you can get on the normal section widgets and stuff on Shopify. So yeah, do make sure that all the necessary things are available and like everything is set it up and everything. Now, once those things are done, let me show you my default store right now. Let me show you what my store looks like right now, like at the moment. Because at the moment, my store is, it's pretty bland. It's pretty basic. It's like obviously the default store with the default theme and everything. So not the most attractive. So if I go on view your online store over here, let's see what it gives us. So look at that. As I stated, pretty bland, not too great. And you can see stuff like browser later products, featured products, etc., etc. So yeah, pretty basic stuff. Now, if we were to actually go ahead and make changes, because custom liquid can change things like this in the background, or maybe you want to change some colors or something like that, or want to add some moving animation or those things. Obviously custom liquid is used for that. And how do you add custom liquid? That's also a whole other story, so I'm going to be discussing that as well. So first of all, let me show you like the whole customized section. Okay, this is your basic customized section, and obviously there's like different places that you can add custom liquid. Now you could add custom liquid from here, or you can add custom liquid from a different editing code place, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so as you can see, even if I were to go and click on add section, it does give me custom liquid, but it doesn't like give me anything else. And if I go and add block, you can add text to blocks, and you can add blog posts, videos, contact forms, all these things. But there's nothing animated or nothing really fun about it. It's just pretty basic stuff. And if we were just to make a basic website, then why use Shopify? Just use any other basic normal website builder. But obviously we're gonna not do that. We're gonna make changes to this, and we're gonna go ahead and add some custom liquid, and we're gonna add some good custom liquid, like not some random looking custom liquid. We're gonna add some custom liquid that actually gives us good animations, that gives us nice animation. So what you're gonna want to do is there's gonna be a link. Okay, you can copy this link, or you can like take it off of my screen. It's pastebin.com. Wait, let me show you. So this is the link, pastebin.com slash J GJEPUFLK. You can pause the video and copy this off right now. Okay, and it brings you to a pastebin document where it's going to give you all these different links. Okay, now obviously this is the code that you are going to need to take off of this website. Okay, and this code can lead to many different types of animation designs when it comes to using custom liquid. And obviously it's your job to use this code accordingly with the proper custom liquid. Now further on, if you want to actually mess around with more things, what you're gonna do is basically you're gonna take this code. Okay, code that I just told you to copy off and everything. And once you take this code, like as you can see, just copy this as so. We're going to go ahead, we're going to click on copy. Okay, once the code is copied, you're going to come to your main Shopify business board over here. Now, once you're over here, you are going to make sure that you make a copy because like you're going to duplicate your current theme. So because let's say you don't like what you've done with like the new theme, like let's say you don't like what you've done, so you have a chance to go back to the default theme. I don't want to be responsible for not giving you a good theme, so please do make a duplicate just for uh, helpful purposes. So the duplicate that you make, go and click on customize. And once you click on customize, we're going to come down here where it says, any random place. And we're going to click on add section in the template section. Okay, you're going to click on add section. And once you click on add section, obviously it depends on you on whatever you want to add. It could be, custom content. It could be any type of other content that helps you in the betterment of adding different animations and code. So let's say I'm gonna add as a random list of there we go, collapsible content. Let's just add that as an example. Once you add that, we're gonna click on save. And once you click on save, let's go on ahead back. Now, once you go back, I'm gonna click on exit and everything. And once you click on exit, what's going to come from here is that you're going to come here on this theme. You're going to click on, you're going to click on these three buttons. You're going to come down on edit code. Okay. And once you come down to edit code, what's going to happen from here is it's going to load the code up for you. And once the code loads up, you're going to go down here in sections. Now, once you go in sections from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and click on add a new section. And once we click on add a new section, you're going to add a section called section dash custom dash liquid. Okay, so section dash custom dash liquid as so. And once you do that, you're obviously going to go ahead and click on done. Now, once you click on done, what's going to happen is it's going to load a code up like this. Okay, it's going to load a custom code up by itself like this. And, it's going to give us somewhat of a look like that. But we don't want that. So we're going to take that out. Now, remember, I had you copy a code in the start of the video. You're going to paste that code over here. Okay, and once you paste that code over here, what you're going to do from there on out is you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on save. Okay, now once we click on save, let me show you what this brings us. So we're going to go back. Okay, let's go back on customizing the website. Now once you come here on customizing, we're going to do the same thing. Click on add section, and once you click on add section, you're going to click on custom liquid, as you can see over here. And once you do that, up here in custom liquid, you have snippets of many liquid codes or advanced snippets, and there could be quite a lot of different snippet codes. So you're obviously going to add any custom liquid code that you can pick up from the internet. It could be anything, HTML, CSS, whatever code looks best. Add it here, save it, and obviously that custom liquid code will appear, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's basically about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.